So if you're given a polygon with 5 sides, what will be the sum of the interior angles of that polygon?
Mr. We can't see.
Sorry?
We can't see the PDF.
Okay.
So maybe put the screen share for the folder itself, not the PDF.
Just a moment. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, if we go step by step, how many sides is a triangle? We said a triangle has 3 sides, right?
Yes.
And 3 angles. What is the sum of the interior angles of the triangle? The sum, the total of the interior angles of a triangle is
180.
180. If you've got 2 triangles, what will be the sum of their interior angles?
360.
360. 4 triangles, what will be the sum of their interior angles?
720.
720. 720. So you multiply 4 by 180. So this is one method that is used for calculating the sum of interior angles. For a quadrilateral, we can draw a diagonal across, dividing the quadrilateral into 2 triangles, so that when we add each triangle has a sum of interior angles 180. Here also 180. So it means the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 180 plus 180, or 180 times 2, and then we get 360. Right. That is a quadrilateral. What about a pentagon? If we divide a pentagon, the pentagon, we can divide it into how many triangles?
3.
Into 3 triangles. Pentagon, we can divide it with 2 diagonals like this into 3 triangles, and we get the sum of the interior angles was 540. Hexagon, 3 triangles. 3 diagonals, 4 triangles. So we get 720. And so the last, if we have n sides, we get n minus 2 times 180 as the sum. This formula is what we are going to use for answering most of the questions in exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. We are going to use this formula for finding the sum of the interior angles. Right. What we are going to do is actually exercise 5.2 right now. Everyone should open that. If you've already done them, then check your answers as others do the work. Question number 1, work out the sum of the interior angles of a heptagon. Heptagon. For a heptagon, heptagon is 7 sides. So you will have 7 minus 2, which gives you 5. It means 5 triangles. Then 5 times 180. What do we get if we multiply 5 by 180?
900.
We get 900. So the sum of interior angles of a heptagon is 900 degrees. What about for a nonagon? Can someone do for us nonagon? 9 minus 2, we get a 7. 7 times 180?
1260.
Mr. 1 was 900 degrees, yes?
Do it yourself there. 1a, 7 minus 2, we get a 5. 5 times 180, what do we get? That is,
900.
and then for B, nonagon, 9 sides. You have 9 minus 2 is 180.
1260.
Okay, and then do the same to C. C. Decagon.
1,140.
Okay, fine. That's for the decagon. Question number 2. Who can do for us question number 2? Five of the interior angles of a hexagon are 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 110, 120, and then 130. Those are the 5. A hexagon has got 6 of them. One of the angles is not given. You are asked to work out the other interior angle of the hexagon. What is the other interior angle of the hexagon? What is the size of the other interior angle of the hexagon? Who has finished?
170.
170. How did you do that?
Because there are 6 interior angles, so it should equal to 720. So I added all the 5 of them and then subtracted it from 720.
Okay. So, what is the sum of the given 5 interior angles? What number did you get when you added all those?
550.
You get 500.
No, 550.
550.
Yeah.
Okay. And then 720 minus 550. You get 170. Right. The next question, part B. Calculate the external angles of the hexagon and show that they have the same, they have the correct total. What do they mean there? Who has done that already? 2B. Calculate the external angles of the hexagon and show that they have the correct total.
Mister, it's gonna be it's in the course book, huh?
Yes.
2B.
2B, page 44, exercise 5.2.
Okay, 4. So, Mister, 90 and 90 degrees, 80 degrees, 70, 60, 50, and 10 equal to 360.
And 10 equals to 360.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to calculate each of the exterior angles for the corresponding interior, just as you've done. So for the first angle given, we have 90, and then we have 80, we have 70, we have a 60, then we have a 50, and finally what? 10. When you add all this together, it should give you 360.
Yes.
360. Right. Next question, question number 3. When you have a different person, people are not raising up their hands. Why?
Mister, the answer is gonna be 104 degrees.
104. How did you get that? That's question number 3, right?
Yeah.
How did you get the 104?
Mister, they say for the interior angle is hexagon are 128. The other 2 angles are equals. How large are the other 2 angles?
How did you get that 104?
Mister,
Yes.
is it 296 degrees?
How did you get that? I just want to tell you how you got it.
Since it's 720, the interior angle, 720 minus 128,
Huh?
which will give us 592, and we divide that by 2, gives us 296 degrees.
There's a small mistake that you have done there. The 128 is the size of one angle, one interior angle. Of the 4, each of them is a 128. Do you get the point?
Yes.
4 of the interior angles of a hexagon are 128. It means you have 128, 128, 128, 4 times. Then the other 2 are equal. It means you have to multiply 128 by 4 before subtracting from 720.
Mister, which question?
412.
Question number 3.
Okay, thank you.
Question number 3, page 44.
It's 512.
Mister, 3A or B? Oh, 3 is... Mister, I think it's 104.
One by one, please. One by one. If someone else is talking, you just give the chance to the person. All right. Arshina, what did you say? Ahmed Muhammad, have you done this question already?
Mister, it's 14.
Mister, I think it's 104.
14.
Yeah.
How did you get that?
Because 128 times 4 equals to 512.
Okay.
Then I forgot how I did it.
And then? Yes, Paul.
Wait, I forgot.
Uh-huh. Can someone continue from there?
Mister, number 4?
Number 3.
3.
We've not got the answer for number 3.
Mister,
Oh,
I
Mister,
think it's
Mister.
104, but it's a guess.
540 minus 512.
Huh?
540 minus 512.
What is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon?
540. I mean, no, wait.
720.
A hexagon. The sum of the interior angles of a
720.
720. From 720, subtract
512. 512.
Yes. What do you
208
get?
divided by 2.
And then the answer you get, you divide by 2.
104.
104, yeah.
Mister, that's what I
Okay.
said.
But I asked you how you got it, you kept quiet.
I know because my sister was shouting at me.
I asked you how you got it, you kept
I
quiet.
know.
I want you to explain to us. Now, okay, it's okay now, right?
Yes.
Now we got question number 4. Question 4.
Mister, can I answer it?
Okay.
I'll read the question first. Kaiser has a rectangular piece of a card. He cuts off the 4 corners. What do the angles of the remaining shape add up to?
Okay.
It's gonna add up to 1080 because it's an octagon.
It becomes an octagon. A rectangle has got 4 sides, right?
Yeah,
When you cut the 4 corners, you're adding 4 more sides. Then the resulting shape will have 8 sides.
So it's gonna be 1080.
So you'll have 8 minus 2 times 180. So you'll have 6 times 180. What's the answer?
1080.
Okay. Question number 5.
6 times 108. 720. 6 times.
So explain, Mr. For question 5, because in here it adds up to 100. It adds up to 530. The pentagon. The
No,
one should
540. Oh, yeah.
But the answer, it should add up to 540 degrees. That's what Jasmine said.
540. So that it's not exact because the sum of interior angles of a pentagon goes up to 540. Has is more. Question number 6.
Interior angle.
10 sides. 10 sides.
10 sides.
No, 12,
Yes.
12 sides. 12 sides.
One
No,
by
it's
one,
10.
please. 10. Beginning with
It's
that.
10, it's 10, yeah.
Najla, give us a reason.
It's because when you multiply 180 by 10, you get 1,800.
Is that all?
Yeah.
The interior angles of a polygon add up
Sir, can I
to
say my explanation?
1,800. How many sides does it have? Give a reason.
Sir, can I do my own explanation?
Yeah, Jasim and Najla, there's something that you have left out. Yes.
forgot.
First of all, that's what I did. I opened a bracket n minus 2 and then another bracket times 180. It equals to 1,800. Then n minus 2 equals 10. So
Okay.
n minus 2, so 10 plus 2 is 12, so it has 12 sides.
It has 12 sides.
Yes.
So 12 sides is the correct answer.
Yes.
How?
1,800. When you divide by 180, you get a 10.
Yeah.
That 10 is n minus 2. N minus 2 equals to 10. The number of triangles is 10.
Mister, how do you use the n minus 2 formula?
Okay.
How do you
N
use it?
minus. Just a moment. Can you see this?
Yes.
Sir, we can only see a white screen.
Yes. Can you see the cursor?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have here, the formula is bracket n
What?
Sir, this guy called Amos.
Yes.
Moise.
Who is this Mars?
It's I Mars with a Z.
Mars.
Sir, what happened?
Astaghfirullah al-Azim, what was that?
Who is this Mars here?
Sir, just kick him.
It sounds good.
No, stop.
I just want to look for the Mars.
Mister, can you please kick?
No, just a moment.
Mister, my parents will hear it. Can you stop this?
Hey,
Mister, I might get into trouble.
Bro, what is going on, fam?
Mister, how about you just kick him?
Mister, is this donkey or what sound, Mister? What is this sound?
This is Rashid, you know.
Mister, kick him, Mister.
Rashid, you know what this
Ban
is.
him.
The sound is so good. Yeah.
Who made you be quiet? Mister, just kick him. He's disturbing the lesson and disturbing us and our
Ban him.
So finish it.
Mister, if you don't
Okay,
kick
yes,
me,
it's already time. Who is that Maz?
It's I Mars then something.
He left.
Is that
He
it?
left. He left.
Yeah, he left.
Left. Mr. He
I'm
left.
going.
okay, Mister, continue.
That was so weird.
Astaghfirullah. Mr. Just continue.
Mr. Continue.
Yeah,
Astaghfirullah.
continue. Astaghfirullah al-Azim. Just
No,
continue.
no, we're going any. I'm going to look. I mean, trace for this number. This number. It's already time up. We'll continue from there. Just complete those questions
Mr.
remaining.
check his IP address.
Listen, I'm done with the
IP address.
questions.
Yes. I'm going
Question
to check.
7A is 120 degrees.
Uh,
And B, it says, can a pentagon have 4 right angles? Give a reason, it's no. Because if 4 angles are 90 degrees, they add up to 360. Then fifth must be 540 degrees minus 360 equals 180. So this is impossible.
Shut
that's
up.
right. Okay, so now we just stop there. I have another meeting.
بس واحد أرى واحد. إذا أردت أن أضع هكذا بشكل مجموعة، هنا جاليري فيو، هنا مجموعات هكذا.
I'm sorry, what?
مستر هاي حصة عربي؟
لا إسلامي. السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام. أين مستر معوض؟
كيف؟
وعليكم
مستر
السلام.
معوض.
مستر معوض يعني عنده حصة. إذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أعزائي الطلاب. إذا بإذن الله عز وجل أعزائي الطلاب سوف نتعرف في هذا الدرس من السيرة النبوية عن غزوة خيبر. وبطبيعة الحال أعزائي الطلاب بعد أن نتعرف عن غزوة خيبر كذلك في مجال السيرة وكذلك إن شاء الله سنبين سبب تهديد خيبر لأمن الدولة الإسلامية وكذلك نستنبط سبب غزوة خيبر. نعم. وكذلك أعزائي الطلاب سنتعرف أن يصف استعداد تحرك الجيش المسلمين تجاه خيبر. كل هذه الأهداف إن شاء الله سوف نتعرف عنها. إذن أعزائي الطلاب ماذا تعرفون عن غزوة خيبر؟ أعزائي الطلاب رجاء لا أريد أن أكرر الكلام من قانون الغرفة، أن نفتح الكام ونجلس في وضعية جيدة وكذلك أسماء تكون غير مستعارة. فرجاء أعزائي الطلاب افتح الكام، فهذا غير منطقي ولا يعقل هذا. وجب علينا أن نفتح الغرفة